Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Oppo Reno 11 Pro 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to check RAM value in your phone Oppo Reno 11 Pro 5G. There are two ways to check RAM value. First of all, go to the settings of your phone here. Then go to About Device and here select RAM. Okay, just click on it and here you can find out how much RAM your phone has. Okay, maximum of 12 GB is the RAM for your phone. Okay, see here, expand by 12 GB. Okay, so RAM value is here 12 GB. Okay, maximum 12 GB. Okay, suppose if you would like to use other method to check how much RAM your phone has, just go to the settings of your phone here, then go to about phone and go to here version and click on version number 7 time. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, and it will ask you to enter your pattern for activating developer options, and just go back, then go back and go to additional settings, and here you will find developer options enabled. Just click on it and here you can see how much RAM your phone has. Okay, see here, average memory use 4.99 GB and maximum RAM is showing here itself 12. Okay, 12 GB is the maximum store RAM value. Okay, so your phone has 12 GB RAM. So in these two methods you can check how much RAM value your phone has. Okay, that's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.